Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Duolingo chess. To begin, first download the Duolingo application from your Android device's Google Play Store. Once installed, either create a new account or log in to your existing one. Then, navigate to the dedicated Games section within the app. From there, simply select Chess to launch the game and start your first match. It's a straightforward process to get started. Once you've launched the game, understanding the interface is key. The main chessboard will be prominently displayed, with your pieces typically positioned at the bottom and your opponents at the top. You might also notice a move history or notation area, usually on one side. Keep an eye out for helpful options like an undo button or a hint feature, which can assist you during gameplay. Familiarizing yourself with these elements will enhance your experience. Now, let's make your store visually appealing and user-friendly. Choose a Shopify theme that resonates with your target audience in Saudi Arabia, considering cultural preferences. Customize the design to perfectly reflect your brand identity, ensuring a consistent look and feel. Remember to optimize your product pages for mobile viewing and fast loading times, as many customers shop on their smartphones, providing a seamless experience. To truly improve your chess skills, consistent practice is essential. Try to play regularly to recognize common patterns and develop your strategic thinking. Learning basic openings and understanding simple endgames can significantly boost your performance. After each game, take a moment to analyze your moves and identify any mistakes. Don't hesitate to utilize Duolingo's built-in lessons or hints for guidance as you progress. Enjoy the challenge.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.